Hey guys, what's up? This is Craig Kosmo. Today I'm going to be making a video reaction called Assignment Asia Elephants of Kerala. So anyways, without further ado, actually it was called Kerala. Forgive me. So anyways, without further ado, let's begin. Oh, so it's called Kerala. Again, I apologize for that. Oh. Oh. They're feeding the elephants with bananas. Hmm. Oh. Hmm. Oh. Oh wow. They're cleaning up the elephant's legs and back. And they're likely cleaning underneath it. 500? Wow. Oh man. That is wrong. That is wrong for hitting an elephant. And it's completely beyond wrong of hurting an elephant in a leg like that. Oh. Oh. Mm. That was a really, really good documentary video that I just watched. And all I have to say is that this video, shows everything about, the relationship between humans and elephant in Kerala. And it was very, very good. I like how they, show the videos about how, elephants are treated, and they also have like this ceremony, this temple, and all the other stuff about what I think about this elephant. Excuse me. And also, I think this is a really, really good video for, to see, some good documentaries about, elephants. And what makes a video so good is that they show, so many good stuff about what happens in Kerala village or town or whichever people want to call it. But yeah, they show so many good things about, elephant, getting treated, positively. And usually the people were giving the foods directly to elephants. Even children themselves give foods to the elephant, and the children themselves, and according to this in this video document, they remember everything about the elephant's name. And elephants themselves also remember, people's name. Well, not remember it, but more like they never forget of who the person's face are. And in this video, they talk about, 500 people. No, not 500. They talk about 500 elephants in the video, where each and every 500 elephant is owned by different people. And that was kind of a very good or bad. But one of the worst things that I didn't like is seeing of how the elephants is getting abused and is getting mistreated, and which is so horrible, and which is something that really, really, kind of hurts my stomach a little bit, but not a lot. But everything else is good. And I also like how, people clean the elephants up, and how they, manage to scrub the elephants' bodies or skin, or the feet or the legs as well too. So anyways, I'm done talking about this video. So anyways, this is Craig Kosmo. Until next time, bye.